We are all familiar with the concept of contempt of court. This is usually when some layperson has the audacity to challenge a judge, object to some bewildering decision that has been made, or otherwise speak out of turn in court. The offender is then taken away to the cells until he purges his contempt, withdraws the offending remarks and apologises to the court. That's quite some power for a judge to have. But what happens when a judge is in contempt of court or otherwise engages in nefarious activities? What is an ordinary citizen to do in the face of improper conduct by apparently untouchable members of the judiciary? It seems our only choice is to put up or shut up, right? Wrong. Judges are also Irish citizens, and they are subject to our laws and to the Constitution. Furthermore, they are also bound by an oath of office, by the Judicial Code of Conduct, and the various rules of the various courts. Unfortunately, some of our judges seem to be unaware of their obligations in this regard, and appear to be making it up as they go along, safe in the mistaken belief that they are actually above the law. Yes, we know that citizens can appeal to a higher court if they are unhappy with any given judge's decision. But in a system where it is normal for judges to be political appointees, who's to say that a more senior judge would take the part of a lay litigant, for example, over one of their own colleagues? And what's stopping any of those judges from revisiting the same injustices on other Irish citizens? Well, here's a suggestion that might just make a difference. You see, when judges flout the Constitution or otherwise engage in improper conduct, they are technically breaking the law and are therefore in contempt of their own courts. But the problem is that no one is holding them to account. So, next time a judge disregards court rules, ignores the law, or flouts the Constitution, do what we did and march straight down to the nearest Garda station and lodge a criminal complaint. You may never get to see a rogue member of the Irish judiciary being marched away in handcuffs, but you will have the satisfaction of knowing that you held your ground, that you didn't get intimidated or bullied, and that those particular judges are then duty-bound not to oversee cases where they are directly conflicted. So, at the very least, you will have removed at least one obstructive source in your own particular quest for justice. On April the 1st next in Castlebar Circuit Court, a judge who we have named in a criminal complaint intends to adjudicate in 2 of our cases. Thank you for listening.